Hey guys, I'm Sarah. Every week I comb through hundreds of DIY videos preparing projects for our weekly maker show, Make or Break. Along the way, I find some good ones and some great ones. And right now, I'm gonna share them with you. This is Sarah's top 5 DIY garage organization. Number 5 is Evan and Caitlin. When it comes to garage organization, you can install some prefab units, make your own from scratch, or use the combination of the two options. This creative duo decided to use old storage that was left with the house, some generic shelves, updated metal pegboards, and a sliding track to keep their space clean and tidy. I like that they used what they had and added some new stuff instead of throwing it all away. Everything here is easy to install, and there are so many different options for storage solutions, plus they managed to fit both of their cars in the garage as well. Added bonus. Number 4 is Big Logan. Okay, so I don't know how he doesn't have more than 3,000 subs. This video was so entertaining to watch, and Logan's energy seriously comes through in his work. He started a trend of building garage built-ins for one friend, which led to building them for another friend and then another friend, and well, you get the idea. He walks you through his building process with step-by-step instructions for this simple project. He used a combination of plywood for the shelves and 2x4s for the frames, plus he added this little detail that I really liked. These little triangle corner spaces are perfect for a seating area to work on smaller projects without taking up a lot of space. He also added matching shelves to the opposite side of the garage. This is simple but a very effective way to make the most out of the space. Number 3 is Living to DIY with Rachel Metz. For those of you who have met me, you may have noticed that I like to keep things well organized, even if those around me, Rob, are not so organized. To each their own, right? Well, in this video, Rachel partnered with Home Depot to make a garage organization / workbench fantasy come true. If building your own storage solutions from scratch is a little bit intimidating, this might be a better option. The giant shelves and cabinets are easy to put together and have a lot of customization options to make it catered to your needs. Personally, I like the cleaner look of metal cabinets like this one over wooden shelves, but that's just me. You can tell me which one you prefer in the comments below. Number 2 is Crafted Workshop. This one has me really excited because I recently moved into a house and our garage has a lot of negative space above our cars. And I would love to add something like this to the garage. With 2x2s, he mounted pieces to the wall and the ceiling. Then he mounted 2x4s vertically along the 2x2s to create a frame. Then he cut down some plywood, mounted them to the 2x2 supports, and seriously, that's it. Well, then you have to add whatever you need to store up there, but whatever it is, it will be up and out of your way. It's crazy how simple this is. All right, guys, number 1 is modern builds. If you're looking for even more storage, and let's be real, you are, right? I mean, that's why you're still here. Well, Mike built this giant garage organization unit using 2x4s and plywood with a workspace in the middle. And he built it by himself. He cautiously started with the top shelf frames and worked his way down using braces to keep things from shifting while he was installing. Once he got all of the frames together and mounted securely to the walls, it was time to cut down the plywood and secure it to the 2x4s. Then he added some fun LED lights above the workbench in the middle. All that was left was to add the tools, boxes, and grab-and-go gear, and this was ready to go. I like that he has 2 shelves up above his workspace so you don't need to double stack the boxes. This is awesome. That's it. I hope you liked my list, but if you found a project you think should have made the list, go ahead and leave it in the comments below and I'll go check it out. All right, guys, do me a favor and like this video, and if you have not already subscribed to Belts and Boxes, please go do that now and be sure to hit the bell so you don't miss any of our videos that come out during the week. You can catch me every Friday at 5 p.m. with Rob for the Power Tool Week in Review, and every Saturday at 6 p.m. for our next episode of Make or Break. We'll see you then.